This is Chris from Modemunch and welcome to another Fast Food Fight, the show where I review popular dishes from fast food chains, recreate them to look and taste like their retail products, all whilst reducing the costs. So today was a bit cheesy. I was googling some cheese jokes to steal for this channel, then I realised I live in Australia, the home of cheesy jokes. All we have to do is look on our supermarket shelves. I guess when Dick Smith's marketing team thought it would be a great idea to create products and jam the word dick in front of everything, some gronk in that marketing team got a little bit careless. So speaking of careless, I got my food today from the supermarket chain whose name I will no longer speak. So with that in mind, let's get on with this episode. While you're here, blah 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 blah, yeah, dong. Imagine flame grilled beef, cheesy cheeseburger with delicious oozing cheese sauce, mayo, crunchy pickles and sliced cheese on a sesame seed bun. For just $2 at participating restaurants for a limited time only. Mixed emotions here. $2, yeah. Oozing cheese sauce, more like a speck of squished cream cheese. Anyway, Phuket. So let's actually start by making some cheese sauce, because cream cheese, no dice. So grab a saucepan, high heat, tablespoon of butter, 1/3 of a cup of flour, and mix. Now this is called a roux, not a roux, a roux. Yeah, nah, you don't get it, do ya? Anyway, it's a case of bechamel sauce, or in this case, cheese sauce. Now add a half cup of milk and keep stirring. It's also called white sauce in some parts of the world. In Australia, we call it cheese. Add cracked black pepper and salt to taste. Keep stirring. Add another half cup of milk. Now remove from the heat and add nutmeg. It should really start to thicken up, so keep stirring until it's like a paste. Now's probably a good time to shove about a handful of cheese in there as well. Keep stirring, making sure that the pot's off the heat. It will melt, but you don't want it to burn. Now let's put down wax paper and add black pepper and salt. I'm using premium mince with an 80-20 fat split. Roll it into a ball, flatten it down in your wax paper, and remember to roll it out to be slightly larger than the bread roll. Now you want to cut your bread roll down the centre seam, placing it under a grill face side up, toasting one side only. Now you want to put your flame grill on high heat. Place your patty down over the hottest part of the grill, making sure to move it around the plate to make sure it doesn't stick in the one spot. When the juices rise to the top, make sure you flip your patty over. Now you want to start with a healer bun, add your cheese. I'm adding 2 slices. Now put your patty down. Add a tablespoon of mayonnaise. Now you want to add your pickles. I think they add a lot of flavour, so I'm putting a lot of pickles on there. So I'm adding about 6. I think on their recipe they only add a couple, so do what you want with that. You're cheap, so you're not going to blow out your budget, don't worry. Now you want to add your cheese sauce to the crown of the bun, so just make sure you lather it in there. You made a lot of cheese sauce. I'm only making one burger, so go nuts. And they're off. Is that for $2? Is it $2? No. Is it $1.50? No, that's too cheap. Is it a little bit more expensive than that? No. Is it $1.75? No, it's a little bit cheaper than that. Is it $1.60? No, it's $1.60. Around the top of the corner, is it $1.65? Yes! Yes, it came in as $1.65. What a tremendous victory. Victory has never tasted so good as this. Coming in at $1.65 at the last minute. Can you believe it? No. This is cheese sauce. This is cream cheese. 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 King Donkeys!